Great Biafrans and viewers of this channel all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you wherever you are watching this program from. This is Biafra Breaking News Media. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button, because in this channel, we bring it to you how it happened, the importance and implications to our people all over the globe, be it a global concern, be it the concern from Nigeria and particularly the Old Eastern region. It comes to you however it happened. This is the part 2 of the weekend trending or weekly trending topics. So, the first topic in this session says, Anyim Puis, Anyim, former secretary to the federal government, is projected as the PDP presidential flag bearer come 2023. Just like David Umahimweze, the current governor of Ebonyi State, is seriously fighting his way to either become the presidential flag bearer or the deputy president under the auspice of APC. So it seems, my people, that there is a very serious interest in Ebonyi State. So, with regards to this presidential race, so looking at what is happening, we can, one can think what is really going on. So, this news concerning Anyim Puis Anyim attached to the PDP presidential ticket come 2023 should not be taken for granted, because as I am talking to you, this information is from the right source, the integral power brokers within Ebonyi State and PDP caucus, as far as Nigeria is concerned. So, however, I am seeing it as a step to counter the plans of APC, however it is, but the point remains, irrespective of the personalities involved, the quest for Biafra freedom cannot be sacrificed under the auspice of IGBO presidency. Anyhow they want it, if that is what they want, like sacrificing the urge and the influence of Biafrans as regards to freedom at the altar of Fulani One Nigeria aspiration, it is better that the North remains in power. Yes, it is better that the North remains in power, because so far as they still refer to themselves as the elites, I am not against anybody being elite. But when you are elite of 60 years and the country is still under the strangulation of few persons that is sharing the commonwealth of over 200 million persons, with the so-called social contract court constitution that doesn't guarantee anybody the proper right to anything except the elites that made it and also violated it, just to continuously empower their personal aggrandizement and all that. I don't buy that interest, but whichever ways is playing out, the interests of Biafrans when it comes to politics in Nigeria are still very much important. So, because the battle is not only against the politicians in the Old Eastern region, but the allies all over Nigeria and the world over are still a problem that Biafrans are facing. So whoever that is pushing to become the president sometimes or somehow may still be very important to Biafrans, because we are still in Nigeria in as much as this issue is concerned. So the second topic we will be looking at is the comment from our great reader, MNK. Like I told you, every weekend we'll be propagating trending headlines, as you also watch other videos I'll be uploading on a daily basis. He said, aside every other comment he made, this is what the people picked, and this is what the people are trending online, and everybody is like, just like myself, I laughed uncontrollably when I came across it. That everything found in the bush is a bushmeat to ESN. Wow. What a leader. And that's just a fact. Because you cannot be wallowing around in our bushes like a bushmeat, causing mayhem to our people. ESN has come to stay, and we must support ESN with everything in us. Anybody who don't like it should migrate to the north. That is the point. Our people must remain secured. At least evidences are coming out from the remote, areas of Old Eastern region that they now go to farm without fears. So a lot of topics came up online through the medias, where our people are joyously expressing their joy that they now go to farm without being afraid of attacks. Even though it is not yet over, but we believe one day it's going to be over. So the third topic we'll be looking at is the scenario that's played out during the celebration of the Armed Forces Day. Yes. Could you imagine in all over Nigeria, both from the presidency down to all APC states that participated in that celebration, the pigeons flown up. Normally, if you catch a pigeon for a while, it is at least a norm that whenever you open that cage, the pigeon will freely fly out with every speed. But all the governors, including Jubiri Buhari himself, kept flinging up the pigeons, up and down, and the pigeons refused to fly. Wow. Pigeons refused to fly. How can pigeons fly when the bloods of the innocent are crying loudly, both hunger that is, teaching everyone in that country lessons of their life? This is where we are going to drop it this time, because I will also endeavor to always make the topics very short. Please, if you want to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button. And every weekend, expect trending videos and topics as well.
They fly high and show that our great nation, Nigeria, is in absolute harmony. Insurgency, herdsmen, kidnapping, the nation is closely integrated and living in peace. We will see the birds of pigeon, they fly high soon, signifying we can see them. There they go. There they go. Put your hands together if you will, please. Put your hands together. No? There they go. Anything whitish is signifies peace. Now, His Excellency, the special guest of honor, the reviewing officer, Grand Commander of the honor,
for the release of the commemorative pigeons, and thereafter sign the register. The release of the pigeons signifies peace.
No. This is not the concept.
The release of the pigeons signifies peace and a new dawn. Like the pigeons, and they must go. If you are lucky to catch one, you are free to do whatever you want. Yes, they've been caged for too long, so they are used to the cage. They will fly in due course. They've been released.
As the governor of Imo State, and it coincided with a national celebration like we are doing today. The only state that has that kind of privilege is Imo State. Wonderful, as he now releases the pigeon. Oh my God, the first is released in the presence and appreciation, admiration of the service commander